Even worked his way around the tripod. This is one of our kind of community tripods that we're always using. Now it's time to rip this junk down off of this fence. I got the go-ahead from the command decision.
Talked about it. We'll see here in a little while. Alright, we got one more little low spot here. trim. They're right up to it. So man, I'll just, like, one of our guys says, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. But I'll get started. So I'm gonna scab some of this dirt and get this antenna out of the way. Ron will probably take that for scrap. The rest of that should be dirt and roots. Man, we're knocking them down. It's just getting closer, really close. Got some big news on the channel. Cannot disclose right now. Not what you might think it might be, but let's just say it has to do with the partnership kind of with Curtis, the pro staffer. Alright, I'll check back in here in a little while. Just cleaned up. Stuff stinks. Swamp poop. Needs to dry just a little bit more in this spot. That sun will be hitting it here in just a few minutes. You can see that. Stuff will dry a lot faster if you thin it out like this. Still always something in the way. We still ain't got a clean slab yet, but it's almost done. Still moving some stuff from here to there. This is that ditch that I drained this thing with. Time to fill that baby in.
Alright, got this edge cleaned up. This dirt is just going to be drying for a little while. It's just a little too wet to grade this. So I may need another couple days before we do our final grade, but man, we're getting close. Real close.
Alright, on the back side of this mobile home trench, just kind of pulling some dirt this way so I can see how much we need, if anything, and also drying it out. But I think this is going to be enough.
Alright, we're down to some hand picking. And we're getting really close. Here's the dirt drying out in that big mobile home ditch, which will be gone now after that. A little more hand picking, a little more grappling, and we might be able to start grading a little. Curtis is doing some last minute grapple work, and I think we're going to end up letting it dry. Plus my back is about done for the day. Big difference though. Big difference. And get some more of this junk cleanup. I should have brought the excavator. I didn't think I'd need it, but now I'm seeing a lot of spots where I could use it. Like this mess in here could all be cleaned up, these trees. Today's after look by the front mobile home site. That's the spot that the backhoe sat forever and ever. Got some drier dirt here drying out. Hand picked it again for like the 49th time. So one more day of drying, 1 or 2 more days of drying, and this is going to be planted. We're going to probably run the SR3 and then plant the same time. Last of the steel junk right there. Here's an after look at the side yard.